Hyundai Palisade models equipped with manual second and third row seats offer a range of adjustments. Second row seats can slide forward and rearward to adjust legroom as needed. Lift up and hold the adjustment lever. Slide the seat to the desired position and then release the lever. Move the seat forward and back to ensure it's locked in place. You can also adjust the seat back angle. Pull up on the lever and adjust the seat back, then release the lever. Make sure the lever locks back in the original position to ensure the seat back is locked in place. To access the third row, first store the second row seat belts in their holders. Then press either of the walk-in switches, located on top of the second row seat back, or on the side of the second row seat. The entire seat will tilt forward. This can be very useful when you have a child seat installed. Once inside, pull back on the seat back to put it back in place. Third row seats can also adjust the seat back angle. Locate the seat recline strap on the outside of the seat. Then pull the strap, adjust the seat back, and release the strap. To exit the third row seats, press the walk-in switch on the top of the seat. Both second and third row seats can also fold flat to maximize interior cargo space. To fold the third row seats, tuck the third row seat belts into the holder. Then pull the strap on the seat back and the headrest will fold. Then press the seat back forward to fold it. To fold the second row seats, lift the seat back angle lever up to fold the seats forward. Press them down to lock them in place. You can also fold the second row seats by pressing the fold buttons on the side of the rear cargo area. Unfolding the second row seats is just as simple. Pull the seat back angle lever up and lift the seat back to bring the seats back upright. For the third row seats, pull the strap again to bring the seats up. Then flip the headrest up to lock them in place. When folding any seats, Hyundai recommends moving the seat belt to the outboard position and securing it to prevent any interference with the seat or with cargo. For more information on these features, be sure to consult your owner's manual, available at My Hyundai, or the user's manual, accessible via the touchscreen. And be sure to visit HyundaiHowTos.com. My Hyundai, and the Hyundai USA YouTube channel for more helpful videos for your Hyundai.